guys! Today, we will help you how to solve rational equations and rational inequality. First, let us know what is rational equation. Rational equation is an equation containing at least one fraction whose numerator and denominator are polynomials. For example, 2 over x minus 1 equals 6 over x plus 1 is a rational equation. Now, let's try to solve a rational equation. We need to cross multiply 3 and x plus 1, then 5 and x minus 1. It would be 3 times the quantity of x plus 1 equals 5 times the quantity of x minus 1. Distribute 3 to x plus 1 and 5 to x minus 1. So the answer will be 3x plus 3 equals 5x minus 5. Combine the similar terms. Should be 3x minus 5x equals to negative 5 minus 3. Perform the operation. 3x minus 5x is equal to negative 2x, and negative 5 minus 3 is equal to negative 8. The value of x, we need to eliminate negative 2 by dividing both sides by negative 2, so that we will get x equals to negative 8 over negative 2. Therefore, the value of x is 4.
Let's proceed to our next example. Start by finding the LCD of each terms. This equation, the LCD is x squared. Next, multiply each terms with the least common denominator. X squared times the quantity of 5x plus 6 over x squared is equal to x squared times the quantity of 4 over x. Cancel out similar terms, which is x squared. So it will be 5x plus 6. On the other term, x squared divided by x is equal to x times 4. It will be 4x. Let us combine similar terms. It will be 5x minus 4x equals negative 6. Perform the operation. 5x minus 4x is equal to x equals negative 6. Therefore, the value of x is equal to negative 6. Let's move on in solving rational inequalities. As defined first, what is rational inequality? It is a mathematical statement that relates a rational expression as either less than or greater than another. For example, 3 over x minus 1 is greater than 5 over x plus 1 is a rational inequality. Let's try this. 9 over x plus 3 is less than 4 over x minus 2. The inequality in general form. Let's cross multiply 9 to x minus 2 and 4 to x plus 3. It will be 9 times the quantity of x minus 2 minus 4 times the quantity of x plus 3 over x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 2 less than 0. Distribute 9 to x minus 2 and 4 to x plus 3. It will be 9x minus 18 minus the quantity of 4x minus 12 over x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 2 less than 0. Now, let us combine like terms. 9x minus 4x minus 18 minus 12 over x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 2 less than 0. 9x minus 4x is equal to 5x, while negative 18 minus 12 is equal to negative 30 over x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 2 less than 0. Let us equate the numerator to 0. It will be 5x minus 30 is equal to 0. To get the value of x, transpose negative 30 and divide both sides by 5. X is equal to 30 over 5 equals 6. Therefore, the value of x is 6. For the denominator, equate it to 0. X plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 2 equals to 0. So it will be x plus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to negative 3 and x is equal to 2. Let us make a sign table. For our intervals, the first interval is negative infinity to negative 3. The second interval is negative 3 to positive 2. The third interval is 2 to 6. And the last interval is 6 to positive infinity. For our test points, the first test point is negative 4. The second is 1. Third is 3. And the last is 7. Substitute the test point to x and get the sign of the answer. Times negative 4 plus 30 is equal to 10. It is positive. 5 times 1 plus 30 is equal to 35. It is positive. 5 times 3 plus 30 is equal to 45. It is positive. Lastly, 5 times 7 plus 30 is equal to 65. It is also positive. Repeat the steps to get the signs. For the f of x, divide the signs of the numerator and the denominators. For the f of x, divide the signs of the numerator and denominator. Negative divided by negative is positive. Divided by positive is positive. Positive divided by positive is positive. Divided by negative, it will be negative. Since it's all positive, it will be positive. Since f of x is less than 0, all intervals with negative sign will be the solution. Hence, the solution is negative 3 to 2. Good job! Now you know how to solve rational equations and rational inequalities. You are now equipped to solve any problems given by your teacher.